Welcome back to Kalispell Volkswagen, getting you guys ready for the winter if it ever decides to snow. But during the winter you want to check a few things. One of them is going to be the drive belts in your vehicle. They're usually found either right and dead front of the motor. Volkswagens, Audis, Porsche, a lot of times on this side over next to your coolant reservoir. Your belt actually is your dry point for your alternator, which charges your battery. A lot of times your water pump, coolant pump, which keeps your vehicle running at good temperatures, as well as power steering and other components, depending on your make, model, and brand of vehicle. I have a couple demonstrations here. This is what a brand new belt should look like. As you can tell, it has the ribs on the inside, which actually runs on the pulleys and it keeps it in track, as well as gives it grip so it'll move and rotate. Usually you have a part number and or other information that's required so you can match it up with your vehicle. When you want to look at these, when you look at them, if there's cracks and things going along the inside, that's when you know you want to start getting your belt replaced. What can happen with the belts is, as you can see, this one has been completely shredded. It's obviously no longer the same width as the other belt, but when these snap, it kind of causes everything to go into a free spin and you can potentially cause quite a bit of damage. Or worst case scenario, you can be stranded on the side of the road in the middle of the winter and not be able to go anywhere. So these are something you really want to check. For every oil change and or multi-point service, they should be checking these and taking a look for you as well. If you need any help or you have any questions or you want them inspected, go ahead and reach out to your local Kalispell Volkswagen.